Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. How are you?
Great.
I'm glad to hear that. So today we will work in the present continuous tense. So in this case, we have here on the board two columns. In this column, we have some pictures, and in the other hand, we have some sentences. So the idea is that you need to match those pictures with these sentences. So let's start. I will give you 3 minutes. Okay, guys, let's start. Are we finished? Okay, yes, Nancy, go ahead. Oh, okay, he's cooking, and with which image? Perfect.
Shall I can you share one match, please? He's reading with the last
Perfect. And Lorena, can you share your match?
He's singing. The second one.
Okay, perfect. Okay, great job. Thank you. Okay, so now let's practice the present continuous structure. So in this case, we need to use first of all the subject, and then we need to use the verb to be. After that, the main verb, and we need to use the ing form with the main verb. So just remember the verb to be for each subject. So for I, which is the verb to be. Got it, thank you. For you, she,
Is.
he, it, perfect. We,
Are.
they,
Are.
you,
Are.
thank you. So after that, we need to use the main verb. So, for example, cooking. So the verb cook plus the ing is cooking. So in this case, I am cooking. You are cooking. She is cooking. We are cooking. So repeat after me. I am cooking.
I am cooking.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, now we are going to make some sentences. You need to write the correct form of the verb in present continuous, and you also need write the verb to be. Okay, who wants to start? Nancy, please. Okay, Nancy, can you read the sentence?
I study English right now.
Okay, Sally. And this,
She's watching TV.
and now for it. Okay, thank you, Lorena. Please, the assignment. They are playing soccer. Okay, thank you. Excellent, everyone.
Okay, guys, so now let's practice by asking questions each other. So I want that you ask to each other like questions about a family member that they are doing right now. So for example, hey Fanny, what is your brother doing right now?
My brother is born.
So let's start with Chalai. What is your sister doing?
My sister is working at the company.
Okay, thank you. Hansi?
My mother is cooking right now.
Okay, Lorena, please ask to Nancy a question.
What is your cousin doing?
What do you say again?
What is your cousin doing?
She's doing the homework.
And Nancy asks to
What
Lorena.
is your mom doing right now?
She's sleeping.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Okay, for the final activity, you need to imagine you are a news reporter, and you need to say what is happening in the class right now. Maybe Hansi
Meanwhile, I'm taking notes. Lorena is writing down responses.
Yes, and I am actively participating in the class.
Okay, excellent. You were engaged and being journalist. So finally, let's quickly review the present continuous tense. So can someone tell me when we use the present continuous? Yes, Lorena.
We use it to explain something that is happening in the moment.
Yes, that's right.
And remember the structure, the subject, the verb to be, and the main verb to ing.
Yes, that's correct. So do you have any questions? Everything is clear?
Yes, please.
Perfect. Okay, and for homework, for the next class, I want that you write 3 sentences or 5. 5 is verb,